In today's video, I am going to teach you how to build Airtable Sales CRM using Claude AI. Start by opening Claude AI and creating a new chat. Once the chat is ready, you will use a single prompt to generate the CRM directly in Airtable through the integration. Paste in this prompt. Create a sales CRM directly in my Airtable using the integration. Build tables for leads, deals, and contacts with fields for name, company, stage, status, value, owner, email, phone, and dates. Include pipeline tracking, linked records, and ensure everything is fully configured and ready to use. After you send that prompt, give Claude a moment to create the structure. The goal here is to have a complete sales CRM base prepared for you automatically, including the main tables and the relationships between them. Next, open Airtable and go to your workspace. Look for the newly created sales CRM base. Once you find it, open the base and begin reviewing the setup to make sure everything was generated correctly. Start with the leads table. Open it and confirm that the expected fields are there. You should see fields that support lead tracking such as name, company, stage, status, owner, and important dates. Make sure the layout matches the CRM structure you requested. Then move to the deals table. Check that the key deal management fields have been created. This should include deal value, stage, status, owner, and other fields needed to track opportunities as they move through your sales pipeline. You want this table to support the people connected to your leads and deals, along with the relevant contact details and supporting information. Once all three tables have been checked, verify that the links between them are working properly. Leads, deals, and contacts should be connected through linked records so you can move between related information easily. This is what makes the CRM useful for managing your sales process inside Airtable. With the base confirmed and the linked records in place, you are ready to start using the CRM. Begin adding leads, connecting them to contacts, and tracking deals through each stage of the pipeline. This gives you a centralized system for managing sales activity and keeping your records organized. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.